guys, it's Iamchaenicole, and today we're back with another video. So I haven't recorded a video in like a month, or maybe like not just a month, because I went on my trip at the beginning of this month, so about a couple weeks. But anyways, before we get further into this video, I need for you guys to hit that like button and that subscribe button, and yeah. So by the title, you guys already know what we're about to do. We're about to install a green wig. Y'all, I haven't did like a wig install in so long, so I thought, why not? So that's what we're about to get ready to do. She is right here. So we're gonna, it kind of didn't turn out how I wanted as far as the dye, but I feel like once it's all blown out, flat iron, it's gonna come together really cute. So I'm super excited to see how this come out. I did green before, like back in was I in school? No, I think I graduated. So maybe like end of 2019 or like beginning of 2020. Sometime around then I had like a green bulb. But we've been to give green, I don't know, but let's just get into this video. I'm trying to see if this is a good angle. I'm guessing it is. So first things first, we're going to use this spray. I use Got to Please. Sometimes I use the red Got to Please, red spray, even spray. But today we're going to be using this. So we're going to just spray. So this is giving like crispy, real crispy. So yeah, when it's like that. So next, I'm going to put my glue on here. I got a little bit of glue because I don't plan on keeping this on for that long. So this is even. I love it. They usually have this in like a bigger tube, but I got a smaller tube. So we're going to put a little bit of this. A little. I don't know why I put that much. So we're going to just start over here. And then... Okay, so I like this view better. So we're gonna be doing this view. Yeah, we're gonna be doing this view. So I went ahead and I blow dried it. I went ahead and blow dried it, and I put a little glue on there. So now we're gonna go in with some makeup, close to your skin tone, or a little bit. I think, or a shade. I don't know. Wait, we're gonna go in with a little bit. Next, we're going to be cutting. Get you some smaller scissors. I really prefer smaller scissors, but these are the ones that I could find. So we're going to cut. And I'm putting smaller ones too. Okay, so I'm about to blow dry it. This is my third coat that I put on, so now I'm about to blow dry it. I always be forgetting to do that. I feel like it's too sticky now. Well, not yet. Not just yet. We caught it at the right time. Oh, and I want to put some eyelashes on too, y'all. I'm feeling like, what's her name off of Kim Possible? Yeah. I'm gonna put it right here because I don't know her name, but I know if I'll type it in on Google. Google will help me out. But I'm gonna put it right here, her. And that's what I'm gonna call her. That's what I'm gonna name the wig. So yeah. It's not really done on this side, but we're still gonna put it on there anyways, because we still need it to be a little sticky anyways. All of it, I don't care what nobody say, all of it cannot be like dry, because it will dry glue, like the glue will dry and it'll be gone. So it needs to be a little sticky some places, like some places. time to unplug the blow dryer and time to plug the hot comb up. I had to buy me another one because the cute purple one I had broke. So I'm like, why not brought me another one? But I brought the old school kind. I guess it's on. So we're gonna let that get hot and I'll get back. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and try to part it. I don't think I have a freaking. I think I left my comb. I don't know where my small tooth comb is at. Lord. So we're gonna be using this small tooth comb. And going, this is not, well, it's kind of working. So I don't think I'm gonna go ahead and go with the middle part. Just cause I always do side. Well, lately I've been doing side. So I'm gonna go with the middle. And I need to blow dry a little bit more. Okay, so it's still getting hot. So this is my favorite part. Really the part I freaking hate. Going in sections and hot combing. So we have our handy dandy claw clip. And okay, but so far I'm freaking loving the green. Okay, so now, look, a lot of damage was just done. Okay, so I'm just gonna comb some of this back, cause see this flap is up. And this is up. So we're gonna have to spray this down. Spray this down. Okay, so I'm gonna critique this middle part. And then can't be left-handed if I tried. So now I'm just kind of trying to figure out what style I want to do. I don't know if I want to do like some curls. I really want to do some crimps. I just do not have no time for no crimps. So I think I'm going to straighten it for tonight and clip it for tomorrow. I'm thinking that's kind of what it's giving. So I'm about to blow dry it really quick. So now we're about to put this on like 400s because it's still kind of thick. Now we're about to flat iron the hair. And this is my phone on the charger. And now we're about to flat iron. I always do the no edge look because I just don't really know. I just want to have fun with it right now until I like go out. So yeah, that's what we're doing. Then I'll throw some edges in there. Now I'm about to do my edges because I decided I want to do my edges. So I think this is what it was already are. I'm made up because I'm sleepy and hungry. I really wish I had my oh my god, y'all, when this thing start acting right, then we can. Okay, I finished my hair, y'all. Hold on. Okay, so yeah, I finished my hair, y'all. What y'all give it? I gotta straighten it some more, and yeah, but I love it. I really do love it. Like, it's giving like fun girl. It's giving like I'm having fun, and so it's giving a whole bunch of stuff. But that's pretty much in my video, you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like this video up if you hadn't been. Click that subscribe button. I'll be posting a podcast this Friday, so stay tuned for that. I haven't posted one since like January or February, so it's been a while, and we got a lot to catch up on. So yeah, subscribe to this channel if you haven't. After this, I'm gonna be posting more and more. I know I say that every time, but no, seriously, I am. Like, I'm finna get into my content creator bag, so be prepared to see some more Shein hauls, some mini apartment tours, some get ready with me's, you know, the classics, and get ready to see more like get ready with me's, more doing my hair more, because yeah, I'm trying to get into that bag too. So yeah, enough talking. See y'all in the next video.